sidebar and chat. So we've split it into the two major sections, right? Everything on the left, everything on the right. So let's start breaking up the one on the right. So let's do that header across the top first. You really don't have to say, okay. Do that a lot. Let's create a new file in here. I'm going to call it chat header. So capital C chat, capital H header.js. And I'll again import React and component from React. Make a class called chat header, capitalized the same way, that extends component. That will need a render method. The render method needs to return some JSX. I'll make a div with the class chat header, capitalized just like the name of the actual class. And I'll try to remember to export default chat header. And this time, let's not leave it at that. Let's actually put something in there. So now that I have this other project, again, if it's going to be too confusing to have two code windows open, feel free to just follow along. I will paste it in chat as well. But if I look at this, inside our, what's it called? Static.html. Here's all the HTML for that static version that I have open. And I've already given them class names that give you some pretty big clues. So here's chat header. So how about I just copy all that? I'm pasting them in Slack right now. So I'll just paste that in here. I'll actually replace this div because I could use a header instead of a div. Why not? It's more semantic. Still has a class of chat header. And of course, ultimately, like the channel name general and the description of the channel is going to be dynamic. It's going to come from a database or something. But for right now, I'll just hard code it in there to get it looking right. So we need to change something, right? We need these classes to be class name. So again, I'll use my multiple cursor trick. Put my cursor right down there, hold down Alt, and put it to here too. Do capital N name. Now I got class name instead of class. And that's my chat header component, which I am pasting in Slack right now. So then where do I want to import this? Yeah, to chat, right? Not main. Into chat. Yeah, where the word chat appears inside chat. Let's import chat header. I don't think mine's going to auto import. Let's see about that. Yeah, it didn't. I want whatever does that. Lewis said his auto imported it if you used it. And I swear I used to have something like that, but import chat header from /chat header. And look at it. And there we go. We have sidebar. And now our chat, at least, is starting to look a tiny bit more like what we want it to look like. So add chat header component. All right, both of these are, well, this is pasted in chat.